The Division of Student Transportation is committed to ensuring student safety while on school buses. All updated processes for transportation services are in accordance with and guided by recommendations set forth by federal and local health partners. In collaboration with staff, students, and families, we will reopen strong for the 2020-21 school year. We look forward to serving your student transportation needs. Here's what we are doing to be better equipped for your return. The Division of Student Transportation recently rebranded our school buses to read District of Columbia Student Transportation. This rebranding effort is a small reflection of the changes we have made to better communicate stakeholder representation, serve you, and to be more inclusive of all educational programs supported by our transportation services. To be better equipped for your return, buses will be cleaned daily at the beginning and end of each tour. This process will include wiping down frequently touched surfaces and seats. Electrostatic sprayer machines will be incorporated into bus cleaning to provide an additional level of disinfecting on school buses. In the event that an individual is confirmed to have COVID-19 and has entered the bus in the prior 7 days, the bus would immediately be taken out of service and deep cleaned by a specialized deep cleaning vendor. On the bus, there will be single-row Z-style seating for students, meaning every other seat from left to right. Siblings, students exiting and returning to the same residence will be permitted to sit next to one another. Standard bus capacity will be reduced in accordance with CDC recommendations. Wheelchair accessible bus capacity will be reduced by half. Bus capacity is contingent on vehicle manufacturer. In the morning and evening commute, students will board the bus based on pickup and drop-off locations. Students will be seated on the bus based on visible markings starting in the rear. When unloading the bus, students in the front of the bus will get off first, following a last one on, first one off model. Bus attendants will sit in the seat closest to the rear to monitor seating and bus safety. All required student accommodations will be provided as needed. Protecting the well-being of our students and staff remain our top priority. All staff will complete the district government employee COVID-19 self-awareness screening form each day prior to boarding the bus. In addition, all staff will wear personal protective equipment when passengers are on the bus, which may include a face mask, face shield, and gloves. To assist us with providing a safe transportation environment, it is critical to understand your responsibilities. Students must wear a face covering while on board the bus and in school. If a student does not have a face covering, a non-surgical mask will be provided as they enter the bus. A face shield may be used in addition to, but not in place of, a face covering. Consider practicing how to safely wear a face covering with your student. This requirement does not apply to students with medical exclusions. It is important to keep your child home when they are sick. If your student is ill, experiencing symptoms of COVID-19 or any other contagious illness, please keep them at home. If your student must stay home due to illness, please be sure to contact the Division of Student Transportation's Parent Resource Center to suspend transportation services at 202-576-5000 or via email at dot.parentcallcenter@dc.gov. As a refresher, here are DOT's bus safety reminders. Be sure to frequently remind your student of appropriate behavior on the bus to include following the instructions of the bus driver and attendant, remaining in their seat for the duration of the ride, and refraining from physical and close contact with staff and students. As we work in collaboration to stop the spread of COVID-19, it is important to continue to teach your children about prevention. To help prevent the spread of COVID-19 and other infectious viruses, continue to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water is not available, use hand sanitizer, cough or sneeze into the elbow, and do not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth. As we are operating in unprecedented times, OSSE DOT encourages you to have open conversations to prepare your student for their new normal during transportation. Consider talking to your student about wearing a face covering, the driver and attendant using PPE, the importance of social distancing, and new seating requirements. The Division of Student Transportation has worked diligently to provide a safe and reliable transportation system to the population we serve. Listed are alternative methods for school transportation. The Parent Transportation Reimbursement Program will reimburse parents who transport eligible students with disabilities to and from school. Please find additional information related to this program at OSSE.dc.gov. The Kids Ride Free program allows students to ride free on the Metro Bus, DC Circulator, and Metro Rail within the district to get to school and school-related activities. To find out more about this program and eligibility, please visit d.dc.gov. As we are operating in unique times, it is important to receive up-to-date information and to stay informed. For questions or concerns regarding your student's bus or bus route, please call the Parent Resource Center at 202-576-5000 or email them at dot.parentcallcenter@dc.gov. For access to all COVID-19 related guidance from OSSE and OSSE DOT, please visit OSSE's website at osse.dc.gov. For information about the District of Columbia's COVID-19 response, recovery efforts, testing, and local resources, please visit coronavirus.dc.gov. For real-time district updates and notifications via text and/or email, sign up for the district's official communication system, Alert DC, at hcema.dc.gov. As we look forward to the future, we are excited to serve and support your needs, listen to your concerns, and reopen safe for the 2020-2021 school year.